Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 2 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you one theorem, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So, try to understand this theorem. Theorem is very important. So, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, that means in triangle ABC, sec DE is parallel to side BC, intersect AB and AC in two distinct points, that is D and E, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay. Now given in triangle ABC sec DE parallel side BC, to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Construction: draw sec BE, sec CD and DM perpendicular AC and EN perpendicular AB. Okay. Now try to understand proof. Area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, and therefore area of triangle ADE, means this triangle ADE is equal to base 1 upon 2 base into height. So is equal to 1 upon 2 base AD into height NE. Okay. Then area of triangle BED in this case this is a base and this is a height of triangle. Okay, so area of triangle BED is equal to 1 upon 2 dB into NE, and therefore area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BED is equal to 1 upon 2 get cancelled, NE and NE is get cancelled, and is equal to AD upon DB, equation number 1. Similarly, area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 upon 2 AE into DM, and area of triangle CDE is equal to 1 upon 2 EC into DM. So in this case their heights are about equal, and therefore area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE is equal to AE upon EC, equation number 2. But area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle CDE, as these two triangles having same base and they are between same parallel lines, that means their heights is what equal. So that is height is equal, statement number 3, and therefore from 1, 2 and 3 AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, hence theorem is proved. Okay, so this is very important theorem. Theorem number 2, converse of BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay. Given in triangle ABC, line DE divides side AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC given. Okay, to prove DE parallel side BC. Prove. Suppose line DE is not parallel to side BC, draw another line DP parallel to side BC. Suppose this line is not parallel to BC, then you can draw a line which is parallel to BC from this point. Okay. Suppose this DP is parallel to BC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC sec DP parallel side BC construction, and therefore by BPT theorem AD upon DB is equal to AP upon PC. Okay. BPT theorem statement number 1. But AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC given, and therefore AP upon PC is equal to AE upon EC. Okay. Adding 1 on both sides, AP upon PC plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1, and therefore if you simplify this you will get AP plus PC upon PC is equal to AE plus EC upon EC and is equal to AC upon PC. Therefore AC upon PC is equal to AC upon EC. If you add this you will get AC. If you add this you will get AC. Okay. And therefore now here numerator is same, and therefore denominator PC is equal to EC. This is possible if P and E coincides. Okay. And therefore P coincides E, and therefore DE parallel BC, and hence theorem is proved. Okay. So now these two theorems are very important. Go through this video again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.